Okay, hello Nupanka.
Hello.
Could you explain where your school is and what your name is and your duty?
My name is Nupanga Weyazana, and my school is in Bangui, which is the capital city of Central African Republic. So I am the president of the school for 2 years now, but the school was founded in the year 1974 by the Association of Evangelical in Africa. The mission of our school is to serve French-speaking Africa.
Okay, and how many students do you have at your seminary?
For the last year, we had 80 students in the academic program with a residential program, and we have 40 students in the women's school, and we have 60 students in our distance learning program, which is a master in leadership and Christian management.
Okay, thank you very much. And now you just finished here the institute. Can you give us a quick impression on how that week was for you?
Yes, I think I would like first of all to thank Overseas Council for organizing this institute in Abidjan this year. I think for me, the first impression is that the institute was for myself a time of a personal spiritual refreshment. To be out of my house, out of my regular duties, give me the opportunity to look back at my own life and also to reflect on my daily duties in Bangui. So it was really a time of spiritual refreshment. Beside that, I would like really to thank the Institute because the theme of the Institute about the spiritual formation is something we are struggling with in our school from the perspective of our staff, but also from the perspective of our students and their families. So the Institute was the place where I got many answers, got many insights about the way that I can really dealing with spiritual matters in my school.
Okay, thank you. And do you have any ideas what you want to change at your school when you come back?
Yes, I think the decision was which we made from here with our chaplain is to take the theme of spiritual formation as the main theme for the coming academic year, and to see how we can apply it in every aspect of the life of our school. So it will be for us a year of spiritual renewal in our school.
So I wish you all the best and your school, and have a good journey back.
Thank you very much, my brother.